Hello, this is Ethan.
Hello, this is Irene.
Today we will take you a visual tour of our factory. If you need 1 versus 1 visual tour, $100 deposit is needed. So today, let's go. Hi folks, as you can see, we're back here at Pizza Factory once again. First of all, congratulations to our customer. 2 pizza vending machines have passed quality check, and next step is packing and shipping. This shipment will arrive in US about 40 days. Thanks again our customer for the trust. Let's check out this closet. Look at this sticker. This sticker is so beautiful, right? It is customized. It is customized, and you can also customize your logo on the top of machine, your logo, any text, anything do you want. Okay, let's go ahead. This is 15 inches screen. The reason looks very nice. And this is language setting, Germany, English, Germany. It also can be customized. Now guys, we're gonna show you how does this machine make pizza. Hey Tina, could you please help me to order? Choose your fill up and payment. Thank you. Let's check out this inside. This machine is supposed freezing and it can hold 60 pizzas. XY delivery system is so cool. And next step is waiting for heat. Okay. You can also see the loading on the screen. Normally, heat the pizza just about 2 minutes. Look at that. It is still heating. Almost finished. Look at the pizza. Look at the pizza. It's so nice, right? It actually smells good. I want to try it, but it is so hot. So I need to wait a minute. Okay folks, I think that's all. I appreciate for watching this video. Anyway, we have in stock. If you are interested, please contact us. Bye.